way I'm often, because I made this film, asked by people who are in terrible straits of unhappiness, or they love someone who is in terrible unhappiness. They ask how to deal with it. If I could answer that, gosh, how happy that would make me. The closest I can come is to say that the mood is your own personal weather, and it's very like the weather. If you go outside and it's raining, it's not you that's made it rain. It has rained and it is real. You can't unthink the rain. You can't say, I'll walk it off and then it'll be sunny. The weather makes up its own mind. And the two mistakes are either to deny that it's raining when it clearly is. It's raining, let's face it. And the other thing is to say, therefore my life is over. It's raining, the sun will now never come out. That's it. Because we all know, in terms of the weather, that it can be a damn nuisance when it's raining, but that the sun will come out. And it's the same if you're a manic depressive. Manic episode, you're depressed. When you're depressed, you cannot conceive of such a thing as the future. Life is so black, you cannot imagine a tomorrow. Just everything is just awful. Energy is slow, there's nothing possible in life. It's terrible. It's actually painful. Bad. Really bad. It can be, for some people, so bad that they really have to have their lives. They feel it. But the fact is, it will come out. And in the case of a bipolar person, it won't just be normal, it'll then go super normal. It will become incredibly something. And rather than having no sense of the future, you plan for 100 futures. You are so excited with the possibility of what you can do in this world, with your creative power, with your entrepreneurial ideas. Your grandiosity knows no bounds. It's an extraordinary feeling, terrible for people around you. But I asked everybody I spoke to if there was a button, and they could press the button, and they would no longer be, manic depressives, they would no longer have this bipolar disorder. Would they press the button? And only about 2 said yes. Because that manic state is a thing to be treasured sometimes.
And is that true for you?
Yes.
Defoliated weight of my heartstring fed through a Jenny inextricably ensconced in conscience. Got me bar imparting memoirs of time. Shit got hard on me. I thought friends and just say talk less, but turn all wits. It's gone and sound of shit. Especially influence detective bullshit. Kill them with kindness. Me with sound passionate. How have I ever made you feel worthless? You condescend me. Everyone was glad at Forest Pen, acid, chest, and time back. Through the great, the waste, the ugly, you know that. I am an artist, I exist. I am an artist, falling from grace. A mother and father, culture to father, weeping for her, leaving my regrets. Down there, turbulent orifice I am. Circumscribed by diatribe proof. Liberating from Bridgeon land. Hating leads to hating down there. Turbulent orifice I am. Circumscribed by diatribe proof. Liberating from Bridgeon land. Hating leads to hating. Nothing that makes me sad is that I know how little time we have. Chilled ear rushes and sweat pressed to my skin from our friends now asleep in the backseat. Every word we sing, I get less cold feet. But everything I see on how it should be. And hear your voice breathe on mountains to breathe. Keystone laughing, we trust I tried, but I just can't get home for you. Woke up this morning, the most empty I have ever felt. Near 1 year of mourning the loss of a heart you took one glance to melt. I cast away my fears, your embrace erased them, forced them to recede. But now without you here, and to my hollow being they proceed. I want to drive up north and collect you flowers on the way from cities you have lived, and maybe places we could go someday. Don't know what else I do to convince you that I've always cared, 'cause I run out of words to type and just to pop, and look how far back I go there. Is a circle filled with tiny lights dividing days. It shines so bright and it glides so tight, I don't know what I meant of it to make. I spin it to our past midnight, up through the days when we will be quite whole and quite apart from the way to the way. Still with you it's more than skipping stones. Raining for two. The last thing I do. Can't make it through. Ended with you. Forget. I don't know anymore. Feel a thing inside again. It took a heart beating to notice home was here all along. Bittersweet, everything's whispered now. It's gone, eluded cartography, yet it looms over my head between your pillow and my bed. Drenched in sweat every night, I clench tight for my life. There's still time to make amends, and the best of it too. My incessant texts, you pled the fifth. Can't get my mind off all of this. To get it off of my chest, my love, I wrote you my first letter, knowing closure is better, dear. And I know I made it crystal clear that John could be left destitute, but I'd still trade lives for his time with you. And after all these years here that we've been through, if we've been through all the time, this still would be too soon. A once-sailing ship now sinking down, in prospects of continuance I drown. I almost forgot that you were not my friend. You were not my friend.
It was the most important moment of my working life. Nothing I ever do again will. I'm sorry.
If I could cram enough Grasshopper deserts into the gas tank of your mother's car next to mine, install 34, you wouldn't get very far, having broken down reluctantly next to me. My love safe and sound, and I tell you it just wasn't big enough, and it filled past the brim like my name on your 101s, covering down lest you flip your shit. And I'm wondering now if this song was worth it.
Whatever happens in the end, I don't want to lose you as my friend.
I promise I will never be your friend, no matter what.
I'm wasting all thinking and losing all feeling in my upper lip. It's all running my life out. I've spent the last 3 years of my life here, touching me, motivating my soul. And this song I know my stopping off is made up for treatment. And strong my life is chaos to waste between thoughts and you.